Namaste all. Refraction of light by a glass slab. How does light behaves when a glass slab is introduced in its path? A thin glass slab is formed when a medium is isolated from its surroundings by two plane surfaces parallel to each other. Lab activity aim determination of position and nature of image formed by a glass slab. Understanding lateral and vertical shift. Material required. A drawing board. Chart. Drawing pins. Pencil and scale. Pins. And finally glass slab. Procedure. Place a chart on a plank and clamp it. Place a glass slab in the middle of the paper and draw a border line along the edges of the slab by using a pencil. Remove the slab and name the vertices of the rectangle formed as A, B, C and D. Draw a perpendicular at a point on the longer side AB of the rectangle. Again keep the slab on the paper such that it coincides with the side of the rectangle ABCD. You can see it, a rectangle, and to the longer side a normal is drawn. So here you can see the longer side a normal is drawn, and on that normal you have to fix two pins. Two more pins you have to stick on the other side of the glass slab in such a way that all pins come to view along a straight line. Remove the slab from its place. Take out the pins. Draw a straight line by using dots formed by the pins, which reaches the first edge of the rectangle. It forms a straight line, that is, light ray which is incident perpendicular to the interface comes out without any deviation because the light ray is incident along the normal to the glass slab. That's why there is no refraction. Now draw a line from the point of intersection where side AB of rectangle and perpendicular meet in such a way that it makes 30 degrees angle. The line represents incident ray and the angle it is with normal none other than angle of incidence. Now place the glass slab on its trace ABCD. Fix two pins on incident ray such that they stand vertically with equal heights. Here we are fixing it is angle of incidence. By looking at the two pins from the other side of the glass slab, fix two more pins in such a way that all pins appear to be along the straight line. Remove the slab and join. Draw a straight line formed by the pins to the edge CD. This is the refracted ray inside the glass slab. RS represents emergent ray and angle between RS and normal is angle of emergence. We can notice that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. Here you can see this is normal and this is incident ray and the angle is angle of incidence. Now we have to fix two pins on this incident ray and you need to see them through the other side, and two more pins are fixed and RS is the emergent ray. And you can see angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. So here the distance between the incident ray and the emergent ray, it is said to be lateral shift. Thank you.